The Peconic Estuary, located between the North and South Forks of Long Island, is home to hundreds of animals, including birds, fish, crab, and other wildlife. The estuary provides a home for these critters and food vital for their survival. People depend on the estuary as well for recreational activities, for jobs, and for food. Many organizations have been developing and implementing projects and laws to help protect our estuary and our source of drinking water, which comes from the ground.
On Long Island, we depend on our groundwater for drinking water. The nitrogen fertilizer we apply to our lawns, especially when the grass doesn't grow over winter, can move down through the soil and into our groundwater. That groundwater can eventually enter our bays, bringing with it nitrogen, which can harm marine life and degrade water quality. Fertilizers can also enter our bays through stormwater runoff. That's when rainwater runoff and snowmelt move over land and enter our bays. To protect Long Island waters, Suffolk County passed a local law to reduce nitrogen pollution by reducing the use of fertilizer. Applying fertilizer in Suffolk County from November 1st to April 1st is prohibited. By following this local law, you help to protect our local bays, our groundwater, and the overall health of our environment.
Recently, another major project has been completed after 15 years to reduce nitrogen entering our bays. The Riverhead Sewage Treatment Plant has been upgraded to treat the water at a high enough level where the water can then be used to safely irrigate the Indian Island Golf Course.
This $23 million project upgrades the Riverhead Sewage Treatment Plant to the most modern technology available and reduces the nitrogen load to the Peconic Estuary by more than half.
These are lowered down into the tank. The pumps are hooked up to the top of these. This is just a small version of what's actually in the tank. It's in the tank. Their hollow fibers are about 9 feet tall. Okay, after the water goes to the hollow fiber membranes, it's then sent through the UV disinfection system. It's where any bacteria is removed. From there, water goes into the reuse holding tanks so that when the water is called for irrigation, we'll have plenty of supply. From here, the water gets pumped to another UV disinfection system, an in-vessel disinfection system, and then gets sent over to the golf course.
During the golfing season, a portion of the sewage treatment plant effluent is diverted to holding tanks and used for irrigation at the Indian Island County Golf Course. There, the grass and soil will remove additional nitrogen, lessening the need to fertilize at the golf course. Projects like this that reduce the nitrogen load to the Peconic Estuary help to prevent fish kills and harmful algal blooms, and improve water quality for eelgrass, fish, and shellfish.